Hey everyone, in this video, we'll be reviewing the 800 milliliters Anti-Gravity Air Humidifier. This is a one-of-a-kind humidifier that uses anti-gravity technology to create a stunning water drop display while it humidifies the air. It's equipped with ultrasonic cool mist technology, which produces a gentle mist that's perfect for hydrating your skin and respiratory system. The LED display makes it easy to adjust the settings, and it's also USB rechargeable, which means you can take it with you wherever you go. We checked out customer reviews on AliExpress, and people love this humidifier for its unique design and effectiveness. They appreciate how easy it is to use and how well it humidifies the air. The humidifier has a large 800 milliliters capacity, which means it can run for hours without needing to be refilled. Overall, the 800 milliliters Anti-Gravity Air Humidifier is a stylish and functional addition to any home or office. Its anti-gravity technology and LED display make it a conversation starter, while its humidifying capabilities help improve air quality and promote better health. If you're looking for a high-quality humidifier that's both practical and visually appealing, then the 800 milliliters Anti-Gravity Air Humidifier is definitely worth considering. I've included a link in the description below. If link doesn't work, you can search on AliExpress using the search code. Thanks for watching.